Hello everyone. What I really love about Vikalp Education is that the teaching faculty and the staff here is really supportive and cooperative, and the environment is very friendly and comfortable. Also, the management checks up with us from time to time to make sure that we are studying regularly, giving our mock tests, etc. And while explaining the concepts, the examples that are used are really detailed and relatable, which makes it personally for me easier to grasp the concept and make sure that it fits in my brain. Also, there are various regular classes on current affairs, which I personally find really helping because I wasn't much of a newspaper reader before. Plus, the faculty is ready to give us personal attention and clear all our doubts patiently. All in all, I'm loving the teaching experience here, and to be frank, I wasn't very sure because of the online teaching. I was a bit scared whether I'll be able to do it, but I'm really loving it here. So yeah, I'm glad that I choose education, and I'd make and I'll really like it. Yeah, thank you.